Hello students, welcome back to the another question in the series of the gravitation randomizer. Right now, it's taking you ahead in your JW Main NEET preparations. The question over here, as you can see, is about the acceleration due to gravity behavior because of the height. Doesn't seem so? Let's read the question. It will definitely look into that aspect. They say there are two equal masses, each of mass m, and they are in a pan balance. You can see there is a right pan, there is a left pan. We have the equal masses over there, but they are not at an equal level, and they're differing in the vertical height. It should have happened that when it is balanced, it should be at the same height, but this is not at the same height. So it's asking to us what is the error in weighing in the terms of the density of the earth. So the density of the earth is given as rho. So the mass of the earth can be anytime substituted as 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho, where r will be the radius of the earth. Now, when you're using this particular pan balance, are you using it somewhere in the moon? No. It is very near to the surface of earth. That means the value of the g over here and the value of the g over here is different. Let's say it is g1 here and this is g2 here, g1 and g2. But the expression for the g at a given height is equal to g into r square upon r plus h whole square, which is written as equal to g upon 1 plus h upon r whole square. And since over the height is very less in comparison to r, so by using the binomial, this expression is g into 1 plus h upon r power minus 2. So then minus 2 comes here. So the value for g at these heights is equal to g into 1 minus 2h upon r. Right? Of course, you might remember that particular expression also with you. Now, this has to be applied here, not this, because we are dealing at a lower values of h. So at this place, what's the value for the weight? It is for the error in weight. And which value will be more? So I think whichever is nearer will have a particular higher value of g. The true value is over here, g. There's a true value at the surface, correct? But as we move up, the value for the g decreases. This g at a height h is less than g, we know that. So that means mg2 is a greater weight in comparison to mg1. So the error in weighing, that is going to be mg2 and minus mg1. Right, that's the error. That's the error in weight. That is delta m delta g basically. There is no error in measurement of the mass. There is an error in the measurement of g only. But that's equal to m into g2. How do we write g? As 1 minus 2h by r into correct value, true value. But at g into 1 minus 2h2 by r and minus of g into 1 minus 2h1 upon r, right? Placing out the values for g2 and g1 at this place and this place. That's it. And now I need to just reduce this expression to get to my result. So that the error in the weighing over there, that's the error, is equal to m into g common. So that's 1 minus 2h2 upon r and minus 1 and plus 2h1 upon r. So that 1 gets cancelled out. So that becomes mg into 2 and upon r, and that becomes h1 minus of h2. Correct? And that's h1. This is h1 and this is h2. And the difference between them, let's say, is equal to h. So this expression can also be written as equal to 2 mgh and divided by r. That's given in the question. The scale pan differ in vertical height by h. So that is 2 mgh by r. Is the question completed? Seems to be completed, but the question is asking the answer in terms of density. So I need to substitute g. What is the g? True value on the surface of earth. So what's the true value on the surface of earth? That g capital M upon capital R square. So substitute over here. So this error, that become 2 gh. No, g has to be substituted. So I substitute the value for the g over here. So this expression works as 2 mh upon r into g, that is gm upon r square. That's instead of the small g. Now I substitute capital M in the terms of density as the question demands. So this works 2mh upon, this is r cube, into g as it is, and then substituting the value for the m. What is the value for that m? That is 4 by 3 pi r cube, the volume, and into density, written already above. This makes me cancel this r cube, and the rest of the result becomes 8 by 3, 2 into 4 is 8, into g, into small m, into h, into pi also, and into rho. That is the result. Let's check that whether we have not missed out anything. That's 4 into 2, 8 by 3, into pi, that's g, small m, h into rho. That works our final result, and that's the question which we have finished. So we'll be coming back with more of these in the upcoming series. Thank you.